Hello everyone, today we'll be back with some more Pokemon Showdown Random Battles. Let's just get started. Alright, we got Tropius and this guy again. Alright, I am immune to Leech Seed. I know it likes to go for that, so I'm gonna knock off. Yeah. Get rid of the berry. Yeah, you can do that, and I will swap into Iron Moth. Air Slash does not do a lot. I'm gonna Fiery Dance here. Got the special attack boost. We get Leech Seeded, that's fine. I could have Terra Grassed, but we'll be fine. We kill this turn anyway. Alright, Espeon. Look at that, that's almost a one-hit KO. But I'm gonna swap out because it's faster. I'm gonna swap out back to Wo-Chien. It goes for Psychic. We are immune to that. I'll just knock off again. Just remove an item or kill something or whatever. Dazzling Gleam does less than half, despite being super effective. Alright, Espeon dies here. Alright, Glastrier comes in. I think I will Protect. He's probably going to go for Icicle Crash, or, okay, Close Combat. I think I'll Leech Seed. We might die here, but, oh, alright, Swords Dance. We can, I'll just knock off, and we'll die here. Okay, Swords Dances again. That's shocking. Alright, I'll Protect now. Yeah, good Protect. I think I'll just sacrifice this guy to get a switch into whatever. We'll go back to Iron Moth. Start Fiery Dancing again. Okay, Arcanine comes in, but it doesn't have Flash Fire, so good, but we should probably swap. So I'm gonna swap to Greninja. Yeah, you probably read that. We got Choice Specs. I think I'll just Dark Pulse. He goes into Among Us. Looking a bit sus here. Yeah, I think we'll just sack Greninja. Just keep doing damage. We actually lived that Giga Drain because we're not Water type anymore. Alright, he comes back into Glastrier to sack it. Maybe a good choice, maybe not, I don't know. Intimidate, yeah, Extreme Speed. I wonder if this is Choice Band or not. I don't know, I don't want to risk it. Alright, back into Iron Moth again, we'll Sludge Wave. Yeah, that kills, because we're Choice Specs. Easy. Alright, Dunsparce. I will Sludge Wave again, because we have Sneasler in the back who can just hit it with a fighting move. Alright, Iron Moth dies. Yeah, we can go into Sneasler, that's fine. Yeah, I'll Close Combat here. Back into Moongus, and now Acrobatics is 110 base power. So I think I will Terra Flying here, just for the damage boost. That kills. I think we win again. This seems good. I'll just okay, you Terra Steel. Yeah, I don't like that, so definitely gonna go for Protect, or not. Well, we might be screwed now. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna swap out again. Yeah, we'll just Thunderbolt. I don't know what else to do. I'm just thankful that it's slow. Aha. Got him. But we're faster. Yeah, he failed to do the double protect. And I think we win now. We definitely win. Alright. GG's. Alright, battle number 2. We got Serena with Choice Band Luminion. Luminion's kinda weak, so we can live Ice Beam and go for Power Whip. Alright, we don't miss, and we one-shot. That's good. You bring in next. You bring in Graphia. I think I'm gonna swap here. Definitely can see a poison move coming in. Or actually, I'll just sack here, so I'll just sacrifice it so I can get into something else. Okay, it misses Gunk Shot. That does a lot, wow. For being not very effective. I mean, it's still crit, but wow. We're really just getting that lucky, aren't we? Alright, Hisui and Lilligant, we'll just keep going until we die. We finally die here. I will send in Koraidon. And I will Flare Blitz. Yep, that kills. Yo, it's Quagsire. We love Quagsire. I'll go into Flamigo. Goes for Earthquake, doesn't do anything. We'll Close Combat with Choice Band. Does like 75%. Sets up spikes. That's fine. Not a big deal. Quagsire goes down here. Alright, Great Tusk comes in. I'll swap back into Koraidon on the last turn of Sun so that it loses the attack boost. And then we can go back into Flamigo and Brave Bird. I'll just Outrage here. Doesn't do a whole lot, but that's fine. Now we can come back in safely and Brave Bird because we're faster. Alright, he has Zarude. That's easy. That's just GG's right there. Another easy win. We can't keep getting away with this. Battle number 3. We got Alolan Persian and Jolteon. We're fast, but Jolteon's faster. No, we don't have much for this. I'll just, I'll Nasty Plot, I guess. Just Dark Pulse. Ouch. That's unfortunate. Okay, we can... I think I'll go into Luxray. Maybe I'll Trailblaze for the speed boost. Yeah, we live Shadow Ball, but it gets the special defense drop, because, of course. Boost our speed, take out the Jolteon, and we get burned by the Flame Orb to activate Guts and get the attack boost. Alright, Ursaring. I think I might Terra Normal Facade here, because that does huge damage. Yeah, Ursaring's really bulky, but like, that does a lot. And we'll die here because of the burn damage, but I think it's worth it. Or not. Alright, we can go into King Gambit, get the Supreme Overlord boost. We'll be fine. Yeah, see, that does a lot. Alright, Sleep Talk fails it, so Palmot is out next. Definitely gonna try to revive something. There's not much I can do here. I guess I'll Pyro Bowl. I don't know. Yeah. We don't win this at all. Alright, we'll Sucker Punch to not have you Bullet Punch. Yeah, or something. Palmot's just gonna sweep everything because we're like weak to it. There really isn't anything we can do. Oh, wait. Thunder Punch doesn't kill, and it died. I thought we would die because Walkabilly is kind of weak. We will Facade here, and then Oko it, and then die. We got Veluza and King Gambit left, and he only has one Pokemon, which is this dude again. He keeps coming back. Alright, we'll Iron Head. Leech Seed. Yeah, Veluza's kind of useless here. Like, this might be the worst matchup in the world. And it would be kind of lame if I uploaded a video where I won every single battle. We'll do what we can do, and that is lose. Next battle, Meloetta, Salamence. We'll Hyper Voice, I guess. I don't know, I'm kind of losing it. Alright, Salamence dies. Tyranitar will Focus Blast. We're probably gonna miss. Yep. I don't. And we lose the game. Actually, maybe not. We have Mach Punch on Breloom. As Elf, I'll go into my own Tyranitar. We'll Dragon Dance again, just like his did. We can Terra Ghost to get rid of the ground weakness, maybe? Or not ground, the grass weakness. And ground because it has Earthquake. We'll Crunch, I guess. Just for the 100% accurate move. Good damage. Horn Leech doesn't do a lot, and we kill back with the defense drop. Alright, that kills again. Very good. Alright, his own Tyranitar comes back out. We'll Earthquake. Probably won't kill, but good damage again. Yeah. Okay, it's a speed tie now. We'll Earthquake. Yep, okay, cool. Very, very nice, thanks. Well, actually, Bullet Seed, because he might Terra Ghost himself, but he didn't. Yeah. Yeah, we'll just die. We'll go into Mouse Hold. Try to... Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. We're maybe getting somewhere. This guy is fun to use. I take it back. We'll just go for it and not kill, but it's fine. Alright. We'll bite here. That's pitiful. But we got the flinch. Alright, I doubt this is gonna kill, but whatever. We did our best. Alright, oh, this is easy. All he has is Azelf, and we can just Sucker Punch and win. I think. Or not. Alright, we'll just kill it. Screw Sucker Punch. Yeah, he thought he could Terra Fairy. Not enough. Well, we crit, so maybe that helped. Alright, last battle. Lamora and Palossand. We have a Focus Sash, but I don't want to use that right now, so I'll go to Charizard. Actually, no, I'll go into Arpaliva. Yeah, Earth Power does not do a lot, and we can just Energy Ball. Articuno's fine. Alright, now we go into Charizard. On the Freeze Dry? Yeah. And we'll Flamethrower. We don't have a setup move. Blaze isn't quite activated. Alright, Flamethrower kills it. Grass disappeared. What's Earthquake? And we barely live that. Earthquake does barely anything. Oh, I think I'll go into Azelf and go for the Psychic. Alright, back to Palossand. Oh, that does huge damage, and he forfeited. Alright, then. Good game. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.